Hi and welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's Ninja Foodi Chilli. This is a really super fast recipe, nowhere near authentic, but it's really quite delicious. The ingredients are on the recipe box below. You probably have most of them already in your fridge or your pantry, so let's get started. To our Ninja Foodi, we have just added about a pound of mince and sprinkled that all around. On the saute function, we want that to get quite brown. As you can see, the Ninja Foodi has done a wonderful job of rendering the fat out of this ground beef or mince, and it's given lots of lovely colour, as you can see there. The really high sides on this pan have also reduced the amount of spatter. There's actually no spatter whatsoever around the surface here. If you had this in a fry pan on the stove, you'd have a big mess to clean up. Now it's in with our carrots now and our onions. Mix those all around. Now I'm using fresh tomatoes here. I've actually blitzed these up in the Nutri Ninja. There's about 5 big tomatoes there, rendering out 600 grams of juice or puree. We're going to reduce this right down, and we're also going to add some fresh tomatoes at the very end for a little bit of texture and freshness. So in with our vegetable salt now. And here it's starting to sizzle. What have we got here? Yeah, about a good teaspoon, and about half a teaspoon of freshly cracked pepper. That can go in too. Turn that all around. Now we're going to send in our garlic. Just crushed garlic, our capsicum or red bell pepper, just been finely diced. That'll give it a nice lot of richness as well and sweetness. We've got some red wine here, in that goes. Now we want these carrots to cook right through and they'll sort of smush down. We're going to throw in our tomato juice now, or tomato puree. Give that a stir, and we're going to just pop our lid on, our pressure cooking lid on, and that will intensify those flavours, force that tomato into that meat and those vegetables, and also soften those carrots. We're giving it 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes is up. It's released its temperature. Okay, we're just going to add our corn now. I've got a whole can of corn there that's just been drained. We're going to put it onto the saute function and evaporate some of that water or that moisture out of that tomato. Any starch in that corn is going to slightly thicken it as well, and the evaporation of the water is going to concentrate the flavours. So it's not too runny at this stage, but we are going to reduce it down a little bit for a while, about 5 or so minutes. Okay, we're just going to send in our chopped up chilli there now. Just remove the seeds from that. Some paprika. Let it stir around. Now it's in with just a can of baked beans. You can use fresh if you like. That'll thicken it right down and make it really quite rich and hearty. It's also going to extend it further. So just keep that simmering away. You can see how much it's already thickened up with the addition of the baked beans and the corn. Okay, as you can see, it's reduced down significantly. We still have in excess of 8 cups of our chili stew there. We're going to add our 400 grams of fresh tomatoes now and just heat those through. So you can see this is particularly healthy. It's lean meat. There is presently 10 cups of food there, or well over 2 litres according to our gauge in our foodie, and that is ample to feed 10 people. We're going to serve it with some grated tasty cheese, some sriracha chili sauce for me. Richo's going to have probably tomato, and some sour cream on top of it. You can have this on a stuffed bun. You can have it in crepes. You can have it with pasta if you want to. There's lots of things that you can actually do with this, and you can have it with corn chips as like a nacho dipping sauce. I hope you enjoyed this little cooking demonstration of Cheekyricho Ninja Foodi Chilli. If you'd like to see more interesting recipes and ideas, just check out our Cheekyricho Cooking channel. And don't forget to please subscribe, and do come back and visit us again soon. We've got lots more to show you, and we've even got a terrific Ninja Foodi recipe playlist. Okay, we're just going to grab a scoop of this gorgeousness out. How healthy is that? You've got fibre, you've got protein, you've got carbs, and you've got lots and lots of fresh vegetables in there as well. Let's turn that off. It will keep warm for ages. We're going to put a dollop of our sour cream, some cheese, and a little splash of sriracha sauce. Tell me that doesn't look delicious. Here we go. A little taste, shall we? Okay. Lots of meat, lots of vegetables. You've got your beans and your corn. So good. So good. Thanks for watching.